We are in a micro-SaaS boom. Everywhere I look is another AI app making millions. So in this video, I will share 5 micro-SaaS ideas that are making $100,000 a month. And just in case you don't believe me, in the end, I will share 3 micro-SaaS ideas that went from idea to launch without having any coding skills. First micro-SaaS that is making $100,000 a month is Link Drip. Link Drip launched with one core feature that allows you to track where all your traffic is coming from. For example, I create a new link drip for my YouTube video and add that in my bio on Instagram, Twitter, and even TikTok. Now, this will allow me from where all my views are coming from. Before this tool, I would post a video clip from my YouTube video. It would get millions of views, but I actually had no idea on how many of those people went to the YouTube and watched my full video. But now, whenever I post my short form clips from a podcast on another platform, I exactly knew where my views are coming from. The beauty of the micro SaaS is that you just need to solve a small problem for a specific group of people. Oh, and did I mention that this tool was made using no code? Also, I love the strategy of founder, how actually he funded the development of the app. Instead of spending his own time and money building the app and releasing it hoping people will buy it, Simon, who was the founder of this link drip, announced a pre-sale on the YouTube channel and send people to the simple landing page explaining what tool will do. Anyone who was interested in using could pay just $75 and in exchange they would get lifetime access to the link tree once the tool was complete. This resulted in $70,000 of revenue before even building or writing a single line of code. This is genius because not only it validates your idea, it also funds your idea to build the app. And the beauty of this product was every time someone clicks the link, it would create a link, it would create its branding like link.drip slash Shayan. So every time the people click, it will be redirected using the link drip branding. So that was the viral loop behind this product that allows him to reach to the level of $100,000 a month. Second micro SaaS on the list is Study Buddy. Study Buddy is a simple AI tool that allows the college students to fill their homeworks automatically. Lazy college kids have to do the homework. The solution, an AI software that does it for them. In SaaS, you have to make sure that your tool is must have, not just nice. So you want to sell the painkiller, not the vitamin. In this case, Study Buddy was actually a painkiller for the college students that fills their homework automatically and they don't want to do the homework, and the homework was filled by this AI tool that is called Study Buddy, and it's making over $100,000 a month. Now, how this tool was built was the founder was scrolling over the TikTok and found that a tool similar to this is getting millions of views and thought that he could do it better. He hired a single developer and started building an MVP for that SaaS product. And the marketing strategy behind it was the content strategy. He started creating the content on the TikTok and Instagram platforms where it shows that it helps the college students fill their homework as soon as possible using AI. So they don't have to do the homework. Third micro SaaS in this list is Creo.ai. Creo.ai is an AI tool that allows you to create. Creo is an AI tool that automatically generates faceless content for faceless content creators. Creo.ai writes the script, generates the video and voiceover captions, and even add background images and music for you. This allowed content creators to create the videos faster than ever and generate the faceless videos and make a lot of money. Now this tool makes $100,000 a month. Now if you are not friends with any large content creators, don't worry, you can still get into action. And that leads me to the fourth SaaS, that was Cast. Cast Magic is an AI tool that allows people to convert all their podcasts into a written content for all your social media platform. Cast Magic has grown to $1,20,000 per month by leveraging the UGC creators. So instead of partnering with large content creators and paying influencers with millions of followers, Cast Magic took the opposite approach. They just reach out to everyday people and offer them few $100s to make a video demonstrating their product. This is called UGC content. UGC stands for user generated content, and these videos can get hundreds of thousands of views if done correctly. Now moving to the fifth and final micro SaaS that is making $100,000 a month is Plug AI. Plug AI is an AI app that allows people to have a romantic conversations over the dating apps. For example, it helps to talk to girls on Tinder. This AI app is making over $100,000 a month, and it's only $15 a month and built by college students. And if you are watching this video and you are serious about building a SaaS, you can check out this video where I break down everything of creating $1,000 SaaS blueprint, and I will see you there. Now, as promised, 3 SaaS ideas that went from idea to launch without any code or a little bit of code are these. One is Wingly.io. Wingly provides a customer support. Wingly provides a customer support AI voice agents companies to e-commerce companies that handle returns, shipping inquiries, and FAQs. Second one is Model Muse. Model Muse is an AI app that generates AI fashion models. And the third and the last is SmartRazor.ai. SmartRazor.ai is a video editing tool that allows you to cut the talking head videos into smaller short form videos, or even the podcast into the short form video. That's it for the 5 microsize ideas that are making $100,000 a month. And if you like this video, you would also like to know how to get people to actually use your SaaS product, check out this video.